How to send WhatsApp message without saving number. In this video guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can send a WhatsApp message without actually saving the person's number. So there are two ways of doing this, or rather three, and I'm going to explain all to you guys here in this video. So the first method and the simplest method I prefer doing this guys, go ahead and open your browser. So if you're using Chrome, Android users, go ahead and put Chrome. For iPhone users, you can use your Safari or any other browser you feel like using. So when you open your browser, I want you to go ahead and type this URL link. So it's http://wa.me/ then you go ahead and type in the number you want to send a message to. Now here's the catch guys, do not add any signs, so you don't have to add the plus sign or anything. Just go ahead and type in the country code. So for example, it's a Nigerian number, so I'm going to be typing the country code, which is 234, and then I'll go ahead and type in the number. As you can see guys, 308788. So when you do this now, the catch here is do not, make sure you don't add any sign in front of your number. So just do it the way it is, just write it plain. Go ahead and click on go. So when you click on go, it's going to open the WhatsApp API, and then when it does that, it's going to automatically prompt you to open your WhatsApp. I'm having a WhatsApp business, that's why it's showing open this page in WhatsApp business. So if you have both WhatsApp business and WhatsApp you want to open, just click on open. When you click on open, go ahead and click on open in WhatsApp. So when you click on open in WhatsApp, as you can see guys, if I should unlock this number, as you can see, I do not have this person's number on my phone, but I still went ahead to message the person. So now this is the first step. Now another thing you can do, if this is not really working for you, if you don't really understand this step, just go ahead and go to your browser. When you go to your browser, I'll paste the link to this site on the screen so you can see. So go to your browser. When you go to your browser, go ahead and open this site. So let me look for the site guys. Let's look for the site. Yeah, go ahead and open this site, open.wa.link. so open.wa.link. When you open this site, you're going to come to, let's go to the home page. So this is the home page, this is what you're going to be seeing. So just go ahead and click on open WhatsApp chat. When you open WhatsApp chat, I want to just go ahead and type in the number. So if, for example, I want to message this number, I'll just go ahead and type, click on open message, click on open in WhatsApp, and it's going to open the chat for you. So if you don't want to use the first step I showed you, or if it's not really working for you, just go ahead and open this message guys. Open this website. When you open this website, it's going to work perfectly guys. Another thing you can do, actually the last thing you can do, is for those using WhatsApp business, if it's a business you want to message, just go ahead and ask them for their URL code or link. They'll give you their URL code and you just go ahead and scan. So that's for businesses. If you want to message a business and you don't really want to save their number, just ask them to send you their QR code, and if they send you their QR code, you should be getting, once you scan this with your camera, it's going to take you directly there. But I will advise you use any of the two steps. It's simpler, right? So if this video is helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel. See you on the